What a greatest.
There you go. Classic sitcom. The marathon is on today. Baby, you're the greatest. When America was America, when we had values, when marriage was a husband and a wife. Please, don't get me started. That's the greatest sitcom ever. I mean, what do you have now? The Big Bang Theory? How I Met Your Mother? Please, please. Those young corporate idiots in Hollywood should sit down and watch The Honeymooners. That's the blueprint for comedy. Simple comedy. Husband and a wife in a kitchen, bus driver, blue collar from Brooklyn. All your great characters are from New York. Don't you understand? Archie Bunker, Jackie Gleason, it goes on, and don't get me started. Anyways, I'm going to just enjoy the day, and it's a beautiful day. It's January 1st, 50 degrees. This is crazy, but I'll take it. And let's hope 2012 is prosperous for us all. Healthy, happy, prosperous. God bless you. God bless me. God bless America. And God bless this camera. More vignettes for 2012. Thank you for your support.